got some of that tape, that cherry tape over here on a package. That means I got a new box of goodies to unwrap with you guys. Let's see what we got. It's a good one. I'm really pumped about this, actually. I've already unwrapped it a little bit because I know it's a little annoying whenever, sorry, I make all that racket. So, let's dive in. All right, I know you can see a sneak peek, but I like to save that part for the last. I think that's like the funnest, the little goodies, the funnest. All right, so I have a lot of Valentine stuff in here. Although I'm using pink all year round. I didn't used to like love a ton of pink, but man, I have been using a lot of pink. I just love the pops of pink. Okay, so we got a couple of solid pink cardstocks here. And then I went through and I made like a little kit. I just grabbed a few Valentine's papers I liked. And then after I did that, I found a collection that I liked. It was an older one. And I was like, well, okay, so here we are. I have a lot of Valentine's stuff, but that's okay because I saved all of my Valentine's pictures from last year and I haven't scrapped any. And we had baby Wally last year and he was so cute. So this one was fun. I liked all the like stamps on here. And this one is Reminisce. And then it has just a nice solid, not solid, a line on the back. Another Reminisce one. These are called, I don't know that the oh yeah, it does have a Be My Valentine. That's the name of the collection. And then this one's Love Stripe Be My Valentine, but I liked both sides of it, so I got both. One of each. Two. The words aren't working right. It's been a week and it's only Thursday. Oh, it's just a lot. Everything is a lot. So I need this box of happy. We have more from Reminisce, the Be My Valentine collection. This one's called Love You. I like those little doodle hearts, and then the bigger doodle hearts, just opposite colors. Let's look at this in a minute, but like next we're gonna move on to, let's stick with Valentine's for now. So let's look at the photo play collection here. This was the one that I found after I said I created a kit, but those are just papers from Reminisce. That's not a kit. I did buy a few other little bits and pieces over here in the ephemera and what. Well, I had this sticker sheet in my cart, and then I was like, wait a minute, I like the whole collection. I've been buying a lot of photo play lately. I'm into it. So last month I did Music Notes, which was their new music collection. So this is from last year, I think. It's called Love Notes. Well, that's cute. Music Notes and Love Notes. I will say the red is a little orangey, which I don't hate. It's just different from this one. But anyway. We got a cut apart. You Light My Fire. That's cute. So they're like different size cut aparts, which are like, oh, look, we got cherries. Because you got your 4x3s, but you also have like smaller bits as well, which I like. And then some cute cupcakes. And they come with 2 each of every pattern. Oh, I'm really into bows lately. Bows are a cute thing, so I'm probably definitely going to be using that. Probably definitely. And you have a cut apart with like a 6x8 and then some tags. I like the pops of black that they added in as well. They have some love letters, envelopes, and then a cute plaid. Cherries. Those are so cute. And then a pink and red stripe. I love a good pink and red. I like that mix of colors together. And then a nice heart. I will say, do you feel like there's yeah, that's not right. Like, they look a little blurry and you can almost see like a weird color thing on them. So you can see like where the printer does like the 3 colors around the hearts. I'm going to say that's not really great. This will be good for a background paper though. What's the other side? Oh, the other side is a really fun cut apart though. So that'll be fun. Cute little, and you have 2 of those, right? So if you don't look too close, it's not bad, but like up close, they look blurry, and then they also look like they have weird colored dots around them, like that was the computer telling you, like, hey, these are blurry, don't print this. And then this is hearts and flowers and pink and red, which I really like. And then a really nice read as solid, but it's like a grid. And then you have the sticker sheet, which I really like, and it's super cute. And you got some treats. You got berries and cupcakes and fortune cookies, but then you have just like other random things that are Valentine's theme. You got a couple bows. I like that. Super cute. So I got some Valentine's pages to make. I think that the photos I have are in my mother's living room, which has like a turquoise wall. So I might be throwing some turquoise in, which I think will mix really nicely with those. So the other papers that I have are not Valentine's theme. They are Home Sweet Home by Mente. And these are from this year. And so I loved this wood grain, but they have purple. And I am a big purple fan. And I just loved the color in here. And then I loved the goose. They had a goose. And I don't like birds at all, so it's just funny. But I love all of I have some snarky title ideas about being a silly goose. And I do think those are hilarious. And then I also loved the bows. So I was like, I almost got the die cuts, but I figured there was a lot of like the tea and everything. And while I love it, I think it's gorgeous. It's just not my aesthetic, and it's just not something that I could see myself using a lot of. I see myself using the ducks, or we're calling them geese. They're probably ducks, but I don't care. Shh. I don't like birds. I don't know them well. But I probably am seeing me using these in like a snarky way, in a funny way. So I didn't want to buy the whole collection pack just for that. But I do like the other side as well. They are ducks. Okay, they're ducks. Fine, whatever. They're ducks. We're calling them silly gooses. And then I just love the lilac or lavender color, whichever one you want to call it. I love the scenes, but I don't know how to use these well with a scrabble page. I mean, I could probably figure it out, right? I could do a photo cluster here and let the paper speak for itself. That's just, again, not my aesthetic. I think they're beautiful, but I love this because I saw this and I was like, I could use that. How much fun would it be to like cut these out and really distress them up and then put them on top of a purple sheet so you can see the purple a little bit. And then, yeah, that was my idea. I don't know if it'll happen. Ooh, and combine it with the cottage. What was the name? I have the 49 Market, the cottage one that Dennis did like last fall, and I haven't hardly used much of it. That could be cute, but I feel like it has a very springy vibe, obviously, so it could be like for Easter pictures. But I love the stripe as well. I just love the color. And then I'm just loving photo play lately, really. And so they had a pickleball sticker sheet. We love pickleball, and like plus our last name is Dill. So those two things combined, super fun. So I had to get it, and I didn't get the whole collection back because like I don't take a ton of pictures of us pickleballing. I do have some. But I could totally use this with some mixed media, and I've been wanting to do a little bit more mixed media and things lately, so I thought that was so fun. Now, you saw me with this already. I had to get these new dies. So these are from HoneyBee, which I don't think I've had any of their dies yet before, but I loved this font. So I love to get alpha dies, and I have a pretty good collection of them, but so I'm trying to like, not buy anything that's too similar. So I have a pretty good variety right now. Nothing that's too similar. But this one, I was like, I don't have anything that looks like that. And I love the size of them. And I even got the numbers because I always am looking for like to put the year on or something like that. I think that they will be great. And look, they have exclamation mark and question mark, which you would think shouldn't be a big deal, but I don't even think that I have any of those from any of the die sets I have. And I probably have at least 10 alpha die sets, and I don't think I have any punctuation like that. So I was excited about that. So I'm excited to use these. These are from HoneyBee Buzzworthy. No, that's their slogan. What are these called? These are called Be Playful Lowercase Alpha. I think they had an uppercase as well, if I remember. I'm a lowercase girl. I'm always going to use lowercases. Sorry, can't talk today. Honey Cuts, Be Playful. Yeah, BEE. I got some more felting needles just because I break them. So Let's see, we're almost done. I got some hemp cord because I was looking for some sturdy cord the other day, and I had navy, I had white, but I didn't have black, so black is a staple. So to add with the Valentine's things, I got these mix-ups from Buttons Galore, and this is called Serenade, and so it looks like, what do you call it? What do you call it? Oh my gosh, sprinkles. It looks like Valentine's sprinkles, and it has like pretty little jewels in there and some pearls. And then these are brads. So I have them in red, pink, and white hearts. And I'll use them all year round for sure. And then I got this Picket Fence Layers of Embroidery stamp. And that also, to me, kind of has a little bit of a spring feel. So it would go really well with those Mente papers. Those were Home Sweet Home, by the way. But I love a good large stamp that will be good for scrapbooking. And I think I can use this in a bunch of different ways. I can use it with mixed media. I can use it on cards and other projects. And I think that I could do a lot of fun things with this. And then last, I ended up with this Sizzix and 49 Market collab. I think Katie Parateet did this. This has been around. This isn't new, but I hadn't gotten it yet. And so I really was looking into it more. And I was like, yeah, I want that because I like mushrooms, and I think you can use them for a lot of things. And then I also liked the mixed media bits that she added in with the stamping. And so you have like the background, the solid, then you have a couple of them that have the sketchy bit that goes over the top, and then you have the matching die as well for those two, and then a couple of other just like smaller ones that go with, and then a couple bugs and a couple of mixed media bits. So I'm excited to play around with that, and that is my order this month. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna link down below with all of my affiliate links for everything that's still in stock. I think everything should still be in stock. It's all pretty new. Even the photo play collection that was the only thing that was not new. I think there was a lot. So I'll link those down below. You probably still have a couple days left that maybe you can get it before Valentine's comes in. Otherwise, you can use it to do your scrapbook projects after Valentine's Day. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, y'all.